In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to format USB flash drive using CMD or command prompt only in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Before we dive into the process of formatting our USB flash drive, I want you to back up all of the personal data or the personal files that you have along with that specific USB flash drive that you would like to format with. So navigate your this PC and select your USB flash drive, open it, and just have to back up all of the important documents that you have. Please copy it and place it either at your C drive or at any of the documents or any of the file folders here in your Windows 11. Once you have backed it up, close this window, proceed to the button search bar and type for CMD. Now, once you've typed it, you need to proceed to the best match, which is a command prompt system. Please click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy the command text that I have provided you at the description box below. Once you've copied it, please paste it here one by one. So first is Diskpart. Click on the enter key in your keyboard and you'll be able to see this here. Please type for the second or paste the second, which is the list disk. Click on the enter key and select your USB flash drive, which is disk 1, since disk 0 is your C drive. So by that, please type for select space disk, then the number, which is 1, and click on the enter key. And by that, please type for clean. Once has been succeeded in cleaning the disk, okay, you need to proceed to format disk. Click on that one and click on start. Then click on OK and then click on OK. Okay. And by that, you need to proceed here. Okay. So let me just close this one. Close. And then proceed on typing for the create partition primary. Click on the enter key here. Once succeeded, please type for or select partition. Okay. Select partition 1. Then type for the format space fs equals ntfs quick. Or either replace the NTFS for FAT32 since your USB flash drive might be FAT32 or NTFS. And click on the enter key in your keyboard, and once done, please type for active, and once done, type for assign letter equals X. Don't worry because I'll be including those command text in the description box below, okay? So once you're good, you'll be able to successfully format your USB flash drive here in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.